Visit zenexatech.com.
In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can install DroidCam OBS plugin on your PC, and also you can set up on your iPhone or Android devices. First of all, we will set up on PC, then we will install DroidCam on our mobile phone, then we will connect it. I teach you all the procedure step by step, so don't skip any part of this video. Now follow me. First of all, you have to open any of the internet browser and search for DroidCam. You will see this DroidCam OBS Plugin Dev 47 apps. Open this website. Now we have to simply scroll it. You can read more about this plugin on its official website. After slightly scrolling, you will see this Install the OBS plugin. You will get three options: Linux, Windows and Mac OS. According to your operating system, you can choose. Mine one as Windows, so I will go through this Windows. Then you will be redirected to this DroidCam OBS plugin for your operating system. Now click on this. Once you click on this, it will automatically start to download on your PC. Go to this download list, and here is DroidCam OBS setup. Double click on this. It will ask for permission. Click on yes. Here is license and agreement. Click on I agree. Now click on next. Then click on this install. I had successfully installed. Now go to my mobile screen. Open App Store. Search for DroidCam. You will see this DroidCam webcam and web camera. Click on this get. Install it on your device. Open. Permission to open your camera, and also give permission to use your microphone. Allow. Now here you will see this Wi-Fi IP address. Now move back to your computer screen, the IP that has shown on your phone camera, and also make sure your both PC and mobile device must connected with the same router. And now click on this OK. Double click on this. Click on this activate. Webcam has been over. Click on OK. Now you can set up this webcam as you want.
Welcome to the all-new Zenexa Tech, your guide to the future of technology. Visit zenexatech.com.